Good morning, guys. It is now Sunday the 9th of June. Is it the 9th? Babe? Oh yeah. So it is Sunday the 9th of June. I am just waking up, so excuse the bed head or the bed face that I am rocking this morning. But we are heading to the Think Parrots show today. So we're dead excited because this will be the first time I've ever gone. We're taking the little girl Miley so she can enjoy it and see the other birds and just have an amazing time. There's going to be a few of our friends there as well, which is going to be absolutely amazing. So we get to meet them as well and see their beautiful birds. And it's going to be a fab day. So I have to get up and get ready and get Miley into the car, get her settled, and then we will head there. So we will see you in the car soon. Hey, welcome back. So we are in the car and we are off to Think Parrots. We've managed to sneak out the house because of the dog. So our dog has separation anxiety, so we have to sneak out from the house, which we've done successfully. He's sat in the garden unaware that we've left, which is fantastic. We've got Miley girl in the back of the car. Dale's driving. He's thrilled to be going, as you can tell by his face. He's so excited. He's so excited. No, he's not. Yeah, he's like, oh, a day of birds and people. What more? What torture have I done to deserve this? What has he done to deserve this torture? So, but no, me and Miley are both looking forward to it. It's going to be absolutely amazing. And we will see you guys at Think Parrots. Hey guys, so we are here at Think Parrots. We're just going to get Miley girl out of the car, get ready, and then we will see you guys at Think Parrots. We probably won't talk much throughout the video now because we're going to enjoy it, but watch and enjoy. Hello everyone, so we are at the Think Parrots with Miley girl, and it is so busy here. It's going so well. She's loving all the attention. I know, you're loving all the attention, but we're having an absolutely amazing time. So if you're here, come and say hi. But by then this video would have gone out, so it would have been over. So, but ow.
All right, let's skip that. 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 All right, let
bye.
although Dale's having so much fun. You're enjoying it, aren't you? Really?
Yeah. Hi guys, so we've had an absolutely amazing time here at Think Parrots, and we are with Fruity Flock, Parrot Palace.
You're not.
She's gone. I don't know.
Point.
Pioneer's Tales, and we have had an amazing time. So thank you so much for watching my vlog, and I will see you again soon. Oh no! And we've got Konya, and we've got House of Conyers. There we go. Oh, I'm so sorry. House of Conyers, and we've got House of Conyers there. Yes, because I can't say Parrots. Yeah. But we have House of Conyers, and she has some beautiful sun Conyers. But we've had an amazing time. Yeah, we're all tired. Miley's absolutely exhausted. She's doing our leg line. But we will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.